In light of the recent events surrounding the fertilizer and seed scandal, it is with deep concern and a sense of duty that I announce the introduction of a motion in the National Assembly for the dismissal of Cabinet Secretary Honorable Mithika Linturi. The motion is rooted in grave allegations of gross misconduct, violation of constitutional provisions, and serious breaches of public trust. The evidence presented before the Assembly paints a distressing picture of negligence, mismanagement, and potential criminal activities within the Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock Development under Honorable Linturi's leadership. The revelations of the procurement and distribution of fake fertilizer, contrary to the directives of His Excellency the President and the interest of the Kenyan farmers, have shaken the foundation of public trust in our agricultural sector. Furthermore, the allegations of forgery, fraudulent activities, and attempts to suppress investigation raise serious questions about integrity and ethical conduct of those in position of power. I firmly believe that the gravity of these allegations demands swift and decisive action. As elected representative, it is our duty to hold public officials accountable for their actions and to safeguard the interest of the citizens whom we serve. In accordance with Article 152(6) of the Constitution, I call upon the President to heed the voice of the people and to take necessary actions to ensure the removal of Honorable Mithika Linturi from the office of Cabinet Secretary. Itakumbukwa kwamba Mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi alilete motion ya kuimpeach Mheshimiwa Waiguru. Akachukua signature za Wakenya, za wabunge. Lakini ilipofika akaweka kwa order paper, ilipofika siku ya kuweka motion, Mithika Linturi akaenda Naivasha kukula happy na kupewa pesa. Hiyo inaharibu heshima ya bunge. Mimi wanami Wamboka tunamaliza na Mithika Linturi kwa bunge. Asishughulike kutuma watu wanatuma kwangu. Mimi sio mtu wa kununuliwa. Sisi tukutane kwa floor.
Tunataka kumuomba Linturi Mithika ajibandue kabla tujambandua. Kwa sababu iwapo uchunguzi wa kina itafanyika, haiwezi fanyika kama yeye yako pale. Na iwapo hana lolote la kufisha, basi ni apeane njia, uchunguzi ifanywe. Iwapo wale watamchunguza watapata kwamba hana hatia, atarudi. Tayari maneno ya sukari tumesahau, sasa ni ya fertilizer wanataka tusahau, kamwe hatutasahau. Na from the word go, I thought Linturi was not even fit to hold that office.
Members who have signed are from across political divides. We are asking the Speaker to approve this motion so that we can have, by quickest way possible, eradicate the shame that is now painting the good face of Kenya.